In this video, we will learn how to install LSPDFR mod in GTA 5. In order to install the LSPDRF mod for GTA 5, all you need to do is firstly open up your browser and type LSPDFR. Then hit enter. After that, head into the first website. From here, you need to click on download LSPDRF. After that, scroll down, then click on download this file. Now agree the terms of service. Then click on download the setup file button. After the files are downloaded, just double click on it to begin the installation process. After the setup asks you to direct it to the GTA 5 installation, all you need to do is come to your launcher that you use to play GTA 5. From here, click on the three dots, head to manage, click on the folder button, which will open up the installation location of the GTA 5. Now from the top hand side, click the URL of files, then copy it and then paste it in the installation location. Now click on install and your installation will begin. After the installation is complete, you need to head into the install location of GTA 5. From here you will find a exe file called Rage plugin hook. All you need to do is double click on it to open it. After it opens, click on accept. Now from here all you need to do is under the plugins tab, click on load all plugins on startup. After doing it, click on save and launch. Now finally, when you get into the game, LSPDFR should be installed and you can go to the police department directly by using the console. So this is how you can easily set up LSPDFR in your Grand Theft Auto 5 game and enjoy the game as a police. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.